Once again, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Miss Judy Ballesteros of Awag City. Welcome back to the Philippines, fresh from Hawaii, USA. I would like to sing you my original song, Para Kay Ka, Ma'am Judy. This is my original song, it's a Ilocano song. It was being popularized by my good friend, Mr. Rudy Corpus, but luckily he's now in the other side of the world. I don't know, in life, I should say. Here we go. This is an Ilocano song, my original song. Sa kinoman di kayang nagyat ko kaya't ko kaya't ka nga ipudno mo sikapan ang ngayon harapap ko hindi ganito mapunas ito'y lagit ko Uray pa naglabas tulipaw kawin ikarikin ka lasika sikarto laki di ka masusuro Judy alipatin ngay pa'y at supli kantong ijay balasin taaw. Hello, Ma'am Judy. Welcome back to the Philippines. Yeah. Thank you. Here's the Tagalog version. I think arin na namin ko kanta dito din dati Australia. Para kinibagit ko ngayon nangigdedi kayo ko ka Rudy Corpus in record na kalipatan ng insurance ginamit ko ang composer. Okay, here we go. Pero kayo kami tawag namin communication media sa ano siguro na insurance ginamit ko as a composer, the original composer of this song. Saan ka man naroon sinta ala-ala kita sa Pilipinas ang pag-ibig ko. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, also to Kerry Bryna Apaga from Canada. Ando na kita kung puti aborto dito eh. Welcome back to the Philippines. MSMCD, Bahapot FMCD Management. We would like to greet everybody and wish everybody a happy drinkings. Okay, from Mr. Apado of Canada. Ang pag-ibig ko'y I love you. Laan sa'yo dahil sa'yo Juby, masaya ang buhay ko. Ito pa na, diba? English version. Bear in mind that you are the only one that I have adored. Yes, and love. Thank you very much. Very much. Okay. Yes, it doesn't matter. Jerry Apaga. If we are apart, even you are in Canada, nothing will gonna change this love for you. Huray pa, naglabas ng titawin. Ikarikil ka, Juby, nga sikat to laeng. Di ka masursuro, Juby, lipatin. Uray pa'y aksubli kantor, itjay haway. Di ka masursuro, Mr. Apaga, from Canada. Orak subli kantor, itjay Canada. Okay. Apa kita taga Canada, kita taga Hawaii mo. Welcome back to the Philippines. Awan kita taga New York.